Shut up, Hannah!
Why are you taking a video?
Because look at her, she's so ugly.
Is that your phone?
No, it's a camera.
Oh.
Look at her. She like straight up kicked that little boy. He's like a zombie. Look at. He's back again. I hope she falls out and throws up. Are you taking a video of this? How long does your thing go?
it's like we're not doing Anyway, what are you doing?
She sees us. What is this? Look at that. Look at that.
What the heck?
So
She's like,
old.
what the heck? She's screaming. I can only see the man's butt. Oh, wow.
I wish I got the when she was a kid. It's like a zombie.
I think that's her grandpa.
She sees us.
Let me see her kick the little boy.
She's so disgusting.
I should throw a stick at her.
She should.
What?
Yeah, but I wish I got the little part with the little boy. She kicked him with the swing.
Was the little boy crying?
Replay it. Lay on the floor. Yeah, what he did.
No.
Please?
It's stupid.
Do it. Yeah. He was like this. That's when he kicked the little boy off the swing. He's like, ah! I said do it. He looks so weird though. Okay. Why am I on your... What? Yo. Sorry. You just spit that out all over. Watch out!
I didn't do it.
Where is he? I don't know. We're trying to videotape Destiny. Ow! What? He tried spitting it at me. Okay, we're gonna leave. Bye.